you ever wondered how businesses grow, how your savings can multiply, or even how economies thrive? It all starts here in the capital market. Let's break it down.
The capital market channels savings from individuals and institutions into investments by allowing investors to buy securities like stocks and bonds, enabling businesses and governments to raise funds for growth and development.
Shares represent ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you become a part owner of that company and can benefit from its growth through dividends or an increase in the share price. Bonds, on the other hand, are a form of lending. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or government, and in return, you receive a periodic interest payment along with the return of your principal amount at maturity. Beyond shares and bonds, not sure where to invest? You can consider investing in unit trusts, collective investment schemes that pool funds from multiple investors to build diversified portfolios. These funds are expertly managed by qualified professional fund managers. Unit trusts minimize risk and grow wealth steadily. Check the SEC website for a list of licensed managing companies. The best part? You can start small. Even a little money invested wisely can grow significantly over time. But remember, stock market investments are a long-term journey. Patience and strategy are key to building sustainable wealth. So how to get started? It's simple.
Download the CSE mobile app. This is your first step. The app is your one-stop platform to begin investing. Choose a stockbroker. There are licensed stockbroker firms regulated by the SEC. To start, you can select a stockbroker of your choice. Open a CDS account. You can open your Central Depository System account directly through the app or with the help of a stockbroker. Start investing. Once your CDS account is active, you're ready to buy shares from over 280 listed companies or newly issued shares in the primary market. Stockbrokers act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers in the stock market. Sri Lanka has licensed stockbrokers who act as intermediaries to help you trade and invest. If you are looking for investment advice, you can consult registered investment advisors or RIAs who are registered with the SEC to help you make informed decisions. You can find the full list of registered advisors on the SEC website. Why should you care about the capital market? It's a powerful tool for wealth creation, helping individuals grow their savings and businesses access funds to thrive. Investing in the capital market can offer high returns, but it also comes with risks. As an investor, there are a few key things you should always keep in mind. First, understand your risk tolerance. How much risk are you comfortably taking? Your investments should align with your financial goals and capacity to absorb losses. Second, do your research. Before investing in any security, whether shares, bonds, or unit trusts, learn about the company or fund, its performance history, and market trends. Third, diversify your portfolio. Spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries can help reduce risk. Finally, stay informed. Markets fluctuate due to various factors such as economic conditions and global events. Keeping it up to date will help you make better investment decisions. Remember, the core principle of investing is balancing potential returns with the risk of loss. By being mindful and prepared, you can navigate the capital market with confidence. Follow us to stay updated. Visit our website, follow our social media, and let's grow together.